so great way to ring in 2019. Everyone's working on with their magazines, cutting out images. I'm kind of starting my rough draft here. Wait till you see the end though. It's gonna take days.
Well, we have a mascot even. Isn't that nice? Yeah, look at that.
Rub my belly.
Hi you guys, I'm Katrina and I'm here for the first time at Alpharetta Wellness Collective doing a vision board. I spent the last week in and out in between things, being extremely intentional about every single area of my life. I believe we're creators of our own life and we have the power to create what we want. And I cut out pictures of my future family, my future children, future community members, impact with creating a transformation center, it's a feel like creation world, where I'm going to be engaged, where I'm going to be married in Hawaii, being on Super Soul 100, and so being president's team with Herbalife, and future homes, and so much more. So I'm super grateful to Alpharetta Wellness Collective for creating the space for this workshop.